Hello students, how are you all doing? Hope that you must be fit and well. Today we are doing a sum from JEE Mains 2016. The sum reads like this. Limit n tends to infinity n plus 1 multiplied with n plus 2 up to 3n divided by n to the power 2n is equal to, that means we have to, here it is asked what is the value of this limit, okay, and there are four options given for this limit. A is 18 divided by e to the power 4, B is 27 divided by e to the power 2, C is 9 divided by e to the power 2, and D is 3 log 3 minus 2. Out of these four options, only one option is correct and we have to find that correct option. So how we will do this? See here. Here you notice, let this limit, we are taking, let this limit be L. Okay. Let this limit be capital L. So this is equals to limit n tends to infinity. Okay. Here it is n plus 1 and this is n plus 2. Okay. Then will come n plus 3 and up to 3n. So 3n I can write it as n plus 2n. Okay, whole to the power 1 by n, and this is divided by n to the power 2n. Okay, so 3n can be written as n plus 2n. So what we are noticing here? Here in the numerator, the first term of each bracket, okay, the expressions which are written inside the bracket, each first term is n, okay, and the second term is increasing starting from 1, it is 1, 2, 3 up to 2n it is going. So the number of terms here in the numerator are 2n, okay, and here the denominator is n to the power 2n. So actually n to the power 2n means what? Here n into n into n going up to here 2n terms, 2n times. Okay, so here this n and n is multiplied 2n times, we will get n to the power 2n, and there are 2n terms in the numerator. So here divide, so here limit L will become equals to limit n tends to infinity. Okay, so I am dividing each term, each means bracket, the expression inside each of the bracket by n. Okay, so there are 2n brackets. Okay, so here there are 2n terms. There are n 2n times. So this 1n will be used up in 2n brackets. Okay, so this is n plus 2 divided by n. Here n plus 3 divided by n, and so on up to n plus 2n divided by n. Okay, so it is all n to the power 2n, that means 2n n's are been used up in 2n brackets. Okay, now here you divide each term with n. So what we are getting? So here n divided by n become 1, and 1 divided by n is 1 by n, and here n divided by n is 1, and 2 divided by n is 2 by n. Here n divided by n is 1, and this will become 3 by n, and up to n divided by n is 1, and here it will be 2n by n. Okay, whole to the power 1 by n. Right? So here each term is 1, 1, 1, and here the second term is 1 by n, 2 by n, 3 by n, up to 2n by n. So there are 2n terms, brackets. Okay, now take the log of both the side. So we are taking log of both the side. So this will become log L, and this will become here the power of the, what we know. We know log a to the power m is written as n log a. So the power comes before the log. So this 1 by n will come before the log. Okay, and this will become limit n tends to infinity, this 1 by n, and one more property of log, we know what we know one more property, that the log, okay, log a b c, suppose, so these are multiplied, log a b c, so this is written as log a plus log b plus log c. So this is the log of all these, product of these all terms. So these can be written as separately log this plus log this plus log this up to 2n times. So this will be log 1 plus 1 by n plus log, okay, log 1 plus, okay, so this will become 2 by n, okay, plus log, this will become 1 plus 3 by n, right, dot 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 up to log 1 plus 2 n by n. So this will be, okay, because when I am taking the log, so this power will come before the log, and this will become log this into this into this into this. So if I write them separate log, this will become log this plus log this plus log this up to plus log this. Okay, I hope that you must have understood this property. Okay, so now see here. So what we are getting here, okay, so here I can write it as, okay, this can be written in the summation form like this. Okay, so this will be written as summation limit n tends to infinity 1 by summation, okay, 1 by n log, okay, here log, here 1 plus r by n, and r value ranges from 1 to what, 2n. Okay, now see here, this is here 1 by n into log this plus 1 by n into log this, 1 by n log in this. So the here are here the second term, first term is all 1 1 1, second term is ranging from 1 by n, 2 by n, 3 by n. So this I can write as r by n. So r value is from 1 to 2n tenth. So that is the summation of 1 by n log 1 plus r by n. Okay, r ranges from 1 to 2n. Okay, now see here. Here we change it into the definite integral. How we change this summation into definite integral? See, here summation is changed into the limit of n tends to infinity summation. This changes into the integral sign. Okay, 1 by n is written as dx, and r by n is written as x. Okay, so here this will become log 1 plus r by n is x, and 1 by n is changed into dx, limit of this, and the lower limit will be what? The lower limit of this integration. Okay, so this is log L. The lower limit of this integration will be the value of r by n. Okay, so the lower limit of integration of this definite integration, okay, is the value of limit here what r by n. Here the lower limit is the value of limit r by n as n tends to infinity for r equals to 1. So when r value is 1, so what will be the limit? So the limit will be limit n tends to infinity 1 by n. So 1 by n tends to infinity, value limit is 0. So the lower limit is 0. And what will be the upper limit of this integration? Okay, definite integration, the upper limit of this definite integration is upper limit become what? Upper limit of integration is the value of this limit. Limit n tends to infinity for r by n. When r is the last term. R is the last term is what? 2n. Okay. When r is equals to 2n. So substitute r here because the last term was r was 2n. Okay. So substitute here r equals to 2n. So 2n by n. So n gets cuts out. So what is this? This is the only constant number. So the upper limit becomes 2 for the given sum. So the upper limit here is 2 and the lower limit is 0. So the log L becomes this. Okay. So I hope that you must have understood. Now here solve this integration. So this will be solved by parts. Okay. Here the first function is log 1 plus x. Okay. So this is 2 0. Here it is log 1 plus x and the second function is 1. Okay, so 1 into log 1 plus x will be log 1. So the second function is 1, the first function is log 1 plus x. So here solve by parts. So this will become 2. Okay, so this will become parts is what? The first function. Okay, first function into the integration of the second function. So 1 into dx is dx 0 to 2 minus here 0 to 2 ddx of the second first function. Okay, log of 1 plus x ddx of 1 plus x into integration of the second function whole dx. Okay. So now this becomes what? Integration of dx is x log 1 plus x. Okay. So this will be from 0 to 2 limits. Okay. And this become definite integral 0 to 2. The integration of log 1 plus x is what? Here 1 plus x. The integration of ddx of log 1 plus x is 1 divided by 1 plus x. Okay, 1 divided by 1 plus x and the integration of dx is x. So this become x divided by, okay, x divided by 1 plus dx. Okay, now see here. So now we will integrate this. Okay, now what is the value? So integrate this. Okay, so this I am copying just as it is. So log L is equals to x. Okay, here log 1 plus x limit to 0 and this become, okay, so here see I am doing here separately. Okay, so let this be I1. I am taking this as I1. Okay, so this is 2 0 x upon 1 plus x dx. Okay, I am integrating this separately here. So here you do 1 I am adding 1 plus x and subtracting 1. So 1 plus x minus 1 I will get x. Okay, whole divided by 1 plus x dx. Okay, so 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x is 1. So this become 20 dx minus, and this will become integration of dx by 1 plus x 0 2. Okay, so now what is the integration of dx? The integration of dx is x. Okay, so now right here the integration of dx, because this was the first x, the first term. Now integration of this dx is what? Here it is x. Okay, so here it was minus. Okay, the second term was minus. Okay, so this become minus x. Okay, and 0 2, and here it was actually, here it was minus. Okay, so minus, and this will become minus and integration, so that's why I have kept in bracket, and this integration of dx by 1 plus x become log of 1 plus x. Okay, the absolute value of 1 plus x. Okay, and this to the 0 whole bracket. Okay, now here we will find out the values of these. Okay, so what we will have here, we will have log L is equals to, put the, here first I am opening this outer bracket. Okay, so this become x log 1 plus x, here 20 minus, this will become x, here 20, and this minus into minus become plus. Okay, and this become log what? 1 plus, okay, so 1 plus x, okay, to the power what? 0, here 20. Okay, so this become 20. Now watch here. So this become 20. Okay, so this is 20 whole. Right? Now what we are getting here? Log L is equal to, first you put the value of x2. So when we are putting the value of x2, so this become 2 log 1 plus 2. So this become 3. Okay, and when I am putting here 0, so x value 0, so 0 into anything is 0. So that will be minus 0. And here x, first you put 2, then minus lower limit 0. Okay, and here also you put the same thing. So this will become, first you will put 2, so this will become 1 plus 2, that is 3. And when I am putting 0, we will get log 1, and log 1 value of any base is value is 0. Okay, so this become log L become 2 log 3, okay, minus 2, okay, and this become log 3 because log 1 is 0. Okay, so this become, now see, we are expressing all the term because this side is log L. Now express this, so 2, see here, 2 can be written as 2 into log E, because log E value is 1. So 2 I can write 2 into log E. Okay, and this 2 becomes the power. Okay, so this become 2, I can write it as log E to the power 2. Okay, so this become log L is equals to, here 2 will become the power of 3. So this will become 3 squared, and 2 I can write it as log E squared plus log 3. Okay, now see here, these two plus log will be, when I change this all into the one log, these plus will be multiplied and minus will be divided. This is the property of log. So log L, I am writing all in one. So this will become 3 squared, that is 9 into 3 divided by, minus will be written in the denominator. So E squared. So this become log 9 3 ja 27 by E squared. Now cancel, remove the log from both the sides, because log L is equals to this. So what will be the value of L? So the value of L will be then what? So removing the log from both the sides, so L is equals to 27 divided by E squared. Okay, so 27 by E squared. Now this was the limit I have taken. L, I have taken the limit of this. So what value of the limit I am getting? L is 27 by E squared. Now tally with the given options. The B is 27 by E squared. So B is the correct option. Okay, so B is the correct option. So I hope that you must have understood the sum very clearly. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Okay, stay fine. Thank you.